Hi, Konstantinos here, and I will be the instructor for this free training. First of all, thank you for enrolling to this free training. It's a training made for beginners and maybe intermediates in 3ds Max, and we will focus mainly on 3D modeling, and together we will create this cave home chair from scratch. Now, if you are intermediate, this might look simple, but it has some challenges that we are going to address inside this training, like details like this, or this seating that get pushed by these legs and stuff like that. And if you are a beginner, don't worry, because we will cover everything step by step. Now, basically how we work inside 3D and 3ds Max is that we go through some steps that I want to clear out so you know what we are doing and why. First, we create the geometry. And by geometry, I mean this clean shape without any textures or nothing. Basically, this is what you will see inside 3ds Max when you are creating our object. Then you continue on the unwrapping, which is basically a process that tells the software how it must apply the textures on the object you created. This is a perfect example. This could be the texture you want to apply your object, and you unwrap it so it knows where everything must go. For example, this must go on here to be the face, and the rest must be on behind. And you create the necessary seams so that the texture sits properly on the unwrapping. And then you got the texturing, where you basically apply all the textures and the PBR materials to create this photorealistic result. And it will be a very fast tutorial. This will take about an hour to create, and it will teach you many things inside 3ds Max and 3D modeling that even if you consider yourself intermediate at 3D modeling, I'm sure you will learn some new techniques. If you are new, I'm also sure that this will bootstrap your learning and accelerate your growth as a new user of 3ds Max. So let's jump straight to 3ds Max and start working.